Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I partnered up once again with Les Mini Macaron, and I'm so excited for this because you guys really seemed to like the last video I did with them, and the biggest feedback I got was that you didn't like the fact that you could only cure one nail at a time. But you guys, they have a big one. So this is the Rouge et Moi Deluxe Manicure Set. And yes, I practiced how to say that. But basically it comes with a full-size lamp. You get 4 different gel shades. You get your cuticle stick, your removable pads, a travel pouch, nail file, basically everything you need to do a manicure right at home. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing for you guys, show you everything that comes in here, and we're gonna do some swatches and just play around with this kit. So in your kit, you get 4 one-step gel shades, so you don't need a base coat, you don't need a top coat, just the color. And then it also comes with a cuticle stick and nail file, 20 remover pads, and a USB cord. And of course you get your LED lamp, and it is inspired by the French macaron, so it's basically a giant one. But this does cure your nail for 60 seconds, and if you flip it over, that's where you have your little on and off switch, so you can just slide it over to turn it on. And then something really cool about this, you can actually take out the bottom tray and use it to do pedicures. So just pretend in a second that my hand is my foot, and you just place it over and cure it like that. So I thought that was really neat. And then when you want to switch back, you just pop it back into place. And it does cure 4 nails at a time, and then you would go back and do your thumbs last. And the setup is really easy. You just take your USB cord and plug it into the back, and then I actually plugged it into my laptop, and then you can see it flash green. Can you see that? I don't even know if you could tell. Anyways, when you go to cure your nail, you just touch the power button. It has a sensor, and then it will go off automatically when the time is over. And guys, you also get this cute little bag that you can put it in, and then of course you get some directions. So let's move on to the application. This is definitely beginner friendly because there really aren't that many steps that you need to do. So first you're just gonna take your cuticle stick and push back your cuticles, and then I'm using the file to rough up my nails a little bit, and this is just gonna help the gel adhere better to your nails, and it's also gonna remove the shine. So I'm gonna do that to all of my nails, and you don't wanna do this too hard, just softly, because you're not trying to like dig into your nail plate or anything. So after I did that on all of my nails, I'm gonna be taking a makeup sponge and rubbing alcohol and just wiping off that excess dust and making sure my nails are completely dehydrated. And again, this is just gonna help make sure that your gel polish actually lasts on your nails. And once you're done with that, you're ready to start applying your polish. I'm gonna be using Rose Antique to show the application. And guys, you guys know I absolutely love the dusty mauve shades, and this is my color. So I'm starting off with that first coat, and you want to make sure you're applying it really thin, and then you're just going to cure that for 60 seconds and then apply another coat. So these are my nails after one coat and curing it, and the amount of coat you do is really going to depend on how you're applying your polish, how long your nails are, the shade, and just all of those things. So I did end up doing 3 coats for all of these except for the second color because it is a lighter shade, so I ended up doing 4. But again, it's gonna vary by person. But after each coat, you just wanna make sure that you're curing your nail. And you also wanna make sure that you're capping the tip. And when I say that, you're basically gonna take your brush and just slide it along the free edge of your nail. And again, this is gonna help your nails to last longer. And that's really it. This does have a non-wipe finish, so once you cure it, you don't have that tacky layer or anything, you're just done. And this is my second time using this brand, but I am still so happy with the formula. I just feel like it levels out so nicely and just looks smooth, you know? So I am going to be showing you the removal process, which I'm honestly sad about because I really wanted to keep these nails, but I know this will help somebody. So you're going to start by taking your file and filing off that top shiny layer. This is very important. If you try to soak your nails off without doing this, it will take you forever. And another thing, the more you file right now, the less time it will take to soak it off. So keep that in mind. But then I'm just going to take the removal pad, tear off where it says tear here, and tear off the little sticker, and then you just press it on your nail, and that's it. Wait for about 15 minutes, and it came off so easily. I just had to use the cuticle pusher, and it just pushed right off. I wasn't forcing it or anything, and that's a big thing. Like, you don't want to try to force the gel polish off of your nails because that's when you risk damaging it or making them weaker. So just really take your time, and that is all you have to do to remove the gel. And I actually ended up taking the wipe that was in the paper and just kind of wiping it across my nails to get off the little gel pieces. You really don't have to do this, but I don't know. So once I removed all the gel from my nails, you can see they are still good, still healthy. So I normally take some cuticle oil and put it around my skin just because my nails are typically dry at this point, but this is optional. It's just something that I like to do. And yeah, now I'm going to show you guys some swatches of the other 3 shades that come in the deluxe Rouge et Moi kits. So first up is Rose Glacé, and this is a blushy pink shade, and right now I'm just showing you guys again. Once you cure it, you don't have that tacky layer. But guys, I seriously love this shade. It is so pretty, and even though it took an extra coat, like, it is so worth it. The next shade is Rouge Dahlia, a deeper red shade that's honestly, again, so pretty, and it just looks rich to me, you know? Maybe it's just me, I don't know. And then lastly, the shade Rouge Coquelicot, and this is just your classic bright red. Like, I feel like there's no other explanation. This is just a classic. So overall, I love these shades. These are seriously perfect for Valentine's Day too. If you wanted to get a gift for somebody or a gift for yourself, why not? This kit is $65, but I have a code for you guys. So you can use code GabbyMRouge10 for 10% off. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the kit, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.